welcome. Thanks for checking out this product review. Before we begin, if you're interested in working with your own internet marketing coach to build your own online income business to get $10,000 per month, then click on the first link below this video. Now back to the product review. You can grab the product from the second link below this video at any point during the video. Upon your purchase, you will receive several awesome bonuses. Number one, discover how to gain 250,000 brand new email subscribers every week. Number two, learn a free traffic method that is working right now this year. Number three, master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Number four, gain access to promote my mentor's high-ticket course as your own. These bonuses will be delivered to you automatically via Warrior Plus or JV Zoo when you purchase this product. Now let's get started with the review.
Hi JVs, and welcome to Ultimate Traffic Unblock. Now what's super duper good about this is that it is lots and lots of ways that I'm going to be showing you through tutorials and training how to set up rotators, plus lots and lots of different traffic methods that are built inside this. And the icing on the cake is I'm actually giving a rotator included, which has up to 2 million reach of potential people over a year. So basically what you do is you send your one URL, which is included with inside the front end page, okay, the front end product, which is the Ultimate Traffic Unblock. You get to put the rotator into my traffic system. This is going to give you up to 2 million potential reach of traffic for BizOps and make money online. It's very, very good. Also, you're going to be getting lots and lots of other stuff, which I can't wait to show you. So I'm just going to shrink the screen down. We're going to jump straight into this. So this is the funnel, ladies and gentlemen. This goes live, as I said before. This goes live on the 13th of December, 9 AM EST time. I've worked super hard on this. This is an incredible product, and I can't wait to see you guys actually send this to your list, because I think it's going to really work well for it. What works well is that I'm also going to be included with, regardless of pulse score, you will be able to promote this product when you buy it, okay? And also if you buy it, there is going to be a incentive scheme which is built within inside this system. Lots and lots to go through, okay? So the starting of the 13th of December 2023, 9 AM EST time, if you get sales across the whole of the funnel, this can add up to $778. So I'm super excited about that. Comes with the front end cost, which is at $17 with a drop down coupon, which is going to be $9.95, which is going to go on for the 5-day launch. And then the pro version, which is $27, and this gives an extra 5 additional rotators. Okay, so it's very, very good. Now I'm not going to go through this, it's a little bit complex. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the funnel. So you can see here the front end of $17 is going to be giving 20 people access to make money online rotator. OTO 1, which is the $27, this is 25 slots only for the pro version. Now I have to limit this. The reason why is because these rotators are working well, and also I'm making money online with them. OTO 3, which is at $37, this is going to be the resale rights. And OTO 2 is the resale rights. OTO 3 is the Bonanza special. Basically, this is when you're going to get the actual reviews done for you, including a video and the review page. And also I'm going to show you how you can use this universally. So if you don't want to use Commission Griller, you will have another alternative with working with software that you've already got. The OTO 4, which is at $497, this is a crazy price. This is the Ultimate Traffic Unblock one-time price, king price, which gives you access to all my monthly memberships, which is going to be going up to $1097 shortly. Okay, so you can get into this just for $997. If you're interested in this, give me a shout and I'll see what I can do for you. So you can see this is going to work really, really well. As I said to you before, here's the funnel. So basically they will be taken to the front end price where a coupon will drop down. They will move across to $27. with a down sale of $17, and then moved to OTO2 with $37 with a down sale of $28, and moved to OTO3, which is $47 with a down sale of $37. Then they will be moved across to the one-time price of the One King deal, which gives them access to future products and existing products, plus all my memberships, includes extra monthly Rotator slot. So you're going to have an extra slot which you can use as well. And then if they are going to have a down sale, which you are affiliated to, where you can pay monthly for memberships, and this works out at 50% monthly commissions, $9 1 month trial, which is the first month, and then $19 monthly with extra Rotator access. So if you really something that you want to get involved with, this is the Ultimate Traffic Unblock. It goes live December the 13th, 9 a.m. EST time. It also has an any sale activity loyal scheme. Now the idea of this is that providing people buy from my link and my reviews, they will get access to my Limitless, which is one of my memberships, with a value of $997. And the idea of this is they just need to buy something from the product, and this is going to keep them obviously buying monthly. So a reoccurring monthly income is a lot better than not having an income at all or just one sale. Okay, so this new loyalty scheme system is working quite well. I've had lots and lots of people that have been sending me in their receipts of purchase, and I've been giving them my Limitless, which is really cool, and it's giving them great access to that. But what also is good is with inside the actual Ultimate Traffic Unblock, anyone that buys anything with inside here, okay, even if there's a low monthly cost of just $4.95, and you stay with inside that monthly program, you will instantly get access to the Limitless membership, which is rated at $997. All you have to do is make sure that you buy something, okay, for monthly. So say for instance, if you brought a Rotator, you brought one Rotator, then that will be classed as one sale. Okay, and then what will happen with that is that the next month will come along, and then it's up to you if you want to buy something with inside something that I'm already promoting, my review, etc., or inside the actual Ultimate Traffic Unblock, because it's going to help you unblock your traffic. Then it will give you another 30 days. But if you go into any of the monthly products, these schemes that are inside this system, okay, this will give you instant ride basically of Limitless, all as long as you like, providing how long you decide to stay a member. Okay, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If this is something that you think you want to put to your actual list and to your tribe, then feel free. If you have any questions, as always, there is an email at support@darrenbrown.org.uk. I look forward to hearing from you. And also, I wish you all the very best. I hope you make lots and lots of sales with this. All the best. Cheers. Bye.